So we did a thing. We sold our little Sunray trailer and we got a 95 Lance 185S.
Yes.
Yeah, 185S. And I guess we're gonna do a little walk around, show you the condition it's in, and go inside. Alright, so starting out with the front here. We got a little wear and tear, probably right on the roof of one of the trucks. Got some puncture marks here. It looks like everything needs to be resealed. And it looks like someone put a little extension brackets on here. Gotta take those off if I can fit my wheels past them. Door cover is broken, needs to be fixed. I think that needs to be fixed. Like I said, everything needs to be resealed. It's pretty terrible, actually. Got a broken vent there. And then gotta do some things under here. This whole board underneath is all rotted out. This jack is kicking out. Hot water heater saying needs to be cleaned out, but it does work. Most of the stuff does work on this thing, which is surprising. And then this is our a black water tank dump and some water line drains. This is for the sewer hose here. That's the door. This one's alright, but once we got it home last night, looks like this whole piece rotted out and started pulling down. There's super bumpy roads going through Stockton on the 5. And yeah, so that pulled that all down. So I need to fix that too. Probably gonna replace all the wood underneath here. Probably inspect that. And this is the propane. Came with that tank. And there's a fitting underneath it. It does look pretty beat up. Don't leak, but kind of want to replace them. And then there's the vent for the fridge. Another thing there. And then to put this thing on the driveway, went and picked me up some pretty heavy duty sawhorses from Home Depot for like 160 bucks. Well, yep, here we go.
Welcome to our new old Squire lands.
Brand new to us. Yeah, so when we got this thing, guy said it was leaking before, but he flex sealed. So we're gonna need to reseal all that. There were some leaks around the window there. Still have all the original decor. I don't know if this came with it, but that looks original too. Smells original. Everything smells original in here.
Snowing a little bit in here with the old wallpaper.
Yeah,
I'm assuming.
all this stuff where there's a little bit of water damage. It's all snowing down on us. I took this one out to make sure the water damage wasn't too bad, and it looks like it had to be pretty minimal or short period of time because everything's solid. I'm gonna have to see, pull this down, look behind it, but everything else pretty good. I mean, looks like we got a new water pump, a new fill hose. The furnace has been rebuilt. Do you remember anything else he said? Other than that, I think it's all pretty.
The oven doesn't fully work.
Oh yeah, it's the same. This doesn't work.
And the stove, only 2 of the 3 burners seem to work as well.
This one works, and the one back there works, but this one does not work.
Yes.
And then this apparently worked the morning we were picking it up, but when we showed up, it no longer worked. That is our gray tank, our black tank, and our water tank. Yep. And that doesn't work anymore, so we're gonna have to replace that. Got the Dometic fridge. This is only the 2-way propane, and does he say 110?
I believe it's 2.
Yeah, it's propane and I think 110. Bathroom. Toilet works well. The shower head works well. That one doesn't seem to be leaking nearly as bad as the other ones. But other than that, I think that's the worst of it. Obviously, we're gonna get rid of these blinds. They're all jacked up. Those broke on the way home. These are gonna get reupholstered by this lady.
Yes.
Yes, and then I don't know what she's doing. She's here for moral support. But yeah, that is our new project that's probably going to eat up all of our weekends until July of 25.
Yes.
So stay tuned for episodes of us tearing everything out of here and trying to make this thing livable.
How many surprises will we find?
Looks like we're gonna have to rebuild the entire camper from scratch. At this rate.
Vacuum is this that we are attaching these new hoses to?
This is Dad's
Yep.
vacuum.
Thanks, Dad.
Thank you, Dad.
It came in handy already.
Oh, he knew.
Alright, I don't know if you can see too well, but we open up this cabinet down here, and it looks like there's a plastic and mold. So we don't know why there's plastic in here, but seems like it kept a lot of humidity down in this box. Gross. Alright, Jake, what's on the back side? Jake, what's on the back side of this cushion?
Well, if you remember from the walk around video when we first got this thing, and those tie down points were looked like they were pulling down.
Can't see.
Yeah, it was pulling down for sure. Looks like this whole piece of wood is rotted out and falling apart. So we're gonna need to replace that too.
Fun
stuff.
More money. It's okay. We're just full of it.
Full, yeah, right. Falling on a budget.
And let's show them the lovely fabric behind this one.
Oh, it's 90s fabric?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Honestly, I'm a 90s baby. I don't remember this fabric.
Ooh. Is this for sure a 95?
Yes. Sticker said so.
Or it was replaced.
Oh, yeah. It's an updated 80s. They took in an 80s and updated it to a 95. This cushion's probably going to get thrown away.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think with that news, I don't think we're going to do too much more today.
So, babe, what time did we get home last night?
Oh, what time?
Yeah.
1 o'clock in the morning.
1 o'clock in the morning. Yes. We drove how many hours?
Oh, what was it, like 4.5 there, 4.5 back, but a little, and then some.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like, it was like 10 hours driving yesterday.
Yeah. So we slept in this morning, and this is basically our first day back with our camper. And we're already, I feel like, getting some good progress today.
Yeah, just tear it apart. Throw everything out.
No, we're not there. Yep. Not tearing everything out.
Throw everything out.
No, we're going to reuse a lot of this.
It's a complete gut.
No.
I'm just draining any water out of the lines because I want to pick up the hot water heater. From inside. It looks pretty bad actually. Oh gosh. Yeah, it's just... Oh yeah. Oh. That's a little rusty. A little crusty. They just pulled it off and then put any tape underneath it. Oh, that's all. Oh man.
Oh.
Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good there. I guess I could take that one off too. Might as well grab it. So wood needs to be replaced. It's a lot of work.
Any other last words, Jake?
Help. Send help. In over our heads. Good idea. Oh.
All right. Well, that was fun.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Lots of new discoveries today.
Yeah, more work.
But thank you for watching our channel today, and please stay tuned. This is just our day one renovation, and we have so much more in store for our unit and so many ideas in mind. So stay tuned and keep watching, and
catch you on the next one.
Catch you on the next one.